How to set up YouTube Kids on mobile device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up YouTube Kids on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to download the YouTube Kids app. You can get it from your App Store or Play Store. After you get the app, you can just tap on it to open up and then tap on Get Started. Now here you will see sign in with a parent's account. You can follow this and right here you can tap on sign in with a parent account. So if you want your kid to use your account, you can tap on your account and then tap on sign in. After that, here you will see parental consent. Tap on more, just read all of these and then tap on done. Now right here the parent should type in the password. After typing in the password, you can now set your kid's name. You can use the kid's first and last name or just the first name. Then type in or just select the age of your child. And after you do that, you can choose the birth month if you want to or not. You can just tap on the next button. And here you can see the recommended content settings. If you want to give them older content, you can tap on the older button, tap on the select option. And after doing that, you can now just head over and hand this to your kid to just, start using. Now there we go. You have just set up YouTube Kid for your kid. And that's how you do it, guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.